Oxy, I gotta say I'm really sorry, I stopped my vlog for stupid people who don't appreciate, the favors that I was doing for. So it has been a long time since my viewers see it. I know you don't want to talk, but what would you like to say? Stop wiggling your tail, that looks awkward. But you're a cat, you can do that. No, 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 no. You're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me, Oxy. No, 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 no. I know you're waiting to bite me, you know that? I know you, girl. You see? Don't bite my watch, The last time what you did wasn't good, It wasn't cool. I know you wanna play, but I don't wanna hurt you, babe. You're my cat. She's happy. I think it's time to come down, She has been up there for quite a while. Oxy, you wanna come down? You wanna go home? Do you wanna come with me? Or you want me to leave you here tonight? What's the deal? Oxy, babe, talk to me. Kitty, 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 kitty. She's a lioness, you see. This is the reason why they call them cats. There's the aura special about them. Sweetest beauty. Keep staring at the phone like that. Oxy. So I'm making like 6-minute vlog with you today because you get a lot of lovers. You have a lot of people who love you, who want to play with you, who want to see you playing. No biting, huh? Just nails, okay, But don't bite. Time to come down, I told you guys. Nowadays, that's where she plays, She ran away all the way there. Oxy, we're not gonna leave you. Where are you going? We're gonna follow you everywhere today. Hey, baby girl. Are you gonna come out or are you gonna stay there? Oxy. You don't wanna come home? Oxy. I'm getting demoralized by your behavior. Is there any way that you are coming with me, or I will just leave you here? You're gonna rot in here. No one will take care of you. Yeah, I'm just kidding, guys. This is my baby. I'm not gonna leave that behind, so don't hate, subscribe.